Mandala art is all about balance, patience, and beauty. Adding mirrors to a mandala brings a touch of sparkle and reflection. Just like life, where every little detail shines when seen in the right light. This mirror mandala is a blend of colors, dots, and mirrors, creating a piece that is both traditional and modern. In this video, I am creating a beautiful mirror mandala, a fusion of intricate patterns, vibrant colors, and sparkling mirrors. Mirror work in mandalas adds depth, light, and elegance, making them perfect as wall art or decor pieces. Whether you are a mandala lover or just beginning your art journey, this project is sure to inspire you with its symmetry, patience, and shine.